Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how you can manage Hyper-V VM snapshots using Powershell. I am on my domain controller from my test environment and I connected with PowerShell remoting to HV01. I also connected with Hyper-V Manager. And before we can actually work with snapshots, let's create a test virtual machine. Now with the VM created, we can start to run the specific commands. And the first one we should do, of course, is to create a snapshot. We will create a snapshot of test VM1 named snap1. And it's already created. We can get a list of the VM snapshots with this command. And of course, it only has one. And in Hyper-V Manager, if we click on the machine, we can see here the snapshot and that we are in real time under it right now. Let's create a second one named snap2, and you see that it creates a tree structure where snap2 is based on snap1, and this can also be seen with get VM snapshot, as snap2 has parent snapshot name snap1, as you can see. Now let's try and revert to snap1. Maybe we made a mistake and we realized that this is the way our virtual machine should be configured. Restore VM snapshot is the command. We just have to specify the snapshot name and it will restore it. And now you see that the tree structure changed because we are under snap1 and this one is orphaned, so we can get rid of it. To get rid of it, we just remove VM snapshot. And we are back at snap1 without any other snapshots in the way. And this more or less is how you manage snapshots in Hyper-V with PowerShell. If you liked the video, please leave a like and share it. Also consider subscribing, and thanks a lot for watching.